Hello everyone. Thank you for signing up for the Dairy Ingredient Fundamentals On-Demand course. This course is geared towards food industry professionals who need baseline knowledge on dairy ingredients. These individuals range from young professionals earlier in their career to people who have been in the industry for years but have not been exposed to the manufacture of dairy ingredients from milk. We will walk through the origins of milk, its production, equipment used to manufacture dairy ingredients, as well as their application in the food industry. The first presentation will be done by Andy Johnson on what is milk. This will give you an understanding of the definition of milk, its composition, basic chemistry, and how seasonal changes can affect milk. Andy has a background as a licensed cheesemaker with over a decade of industry experience. Andy brings a great deal of knowledge and expertise to the CDR in his dual role as program coordinator of the Wisconsin Master Cheesemaker program, as well as his work with CDR clients looking to develop and refine their products. Though his focus is on specialty cheeses with an emphasis on sheep and goat, Andy is involved in nearly every aspect of the CDR Cheese Applications program, from cheese trials and plant visits to short courses and presentations. Andy's education in business, as well as his previous experience as a cheesemaker in 3 states, help him to assist companies as they navigate all aspects of the industry. As a program coordinator of the Wisconsin Masters Cheesemaker program, Andy coordinates plant visits, cheese grading, and assists the Masters candidates as they participate in the program. For the second talk, this will be done by myself and Dean Summers on key ingredients that are produced from milk. This will go into the economic factors that should be considered when manufacturing dairy ingredients, as well as the manufacturing steps that are utilized to turn the liquid milk into a powder, which is shelf stable, as well as the composition of each of the top 5 dairy ingredients that are produced in the United States: non-fat dry milk, whey protein concentrate, whey protein isolate, milk protein concentrate, milk protein isolate, as well as whey powder. For Dean, he serves as a technical resource to the industry regarding cheese and whey products and processing. He assists manufacturers as well as their customers by serving as a consultant and educator. Dean is often involved with troubleshooting public and private company short courses and is able to consult on issues regarding processing and product defects. He has more than 18 years of experience in the industry, having worked at one of the largest cheese and whey production facilities in the United States. He also has a bachelor's of science degree in biology and chemistry, as well as a master's in food science. He enjoys the constant challenges and continued learning that come with working at the CDR, and is honored to serve the dairy industry, helping producers and manufacturers to provide the world with quality, nutritious dairy products. For me, myself, my name is Nathan Price. I grew up on a dairy farm in central Wisconsin, and that's kind of where I became interested in food science, and as well as dairy manufacturing. I was always wondering what happened to the milk after it leaves the dairy farm, after I did all the hard work of extracting it from the cow. I have a bachelor's degree from the University of Wisconsin River Falls in food science and technology, as well as I earned my PhD from Iowa State University in food science and technology, studying the concentration and isolation of phospholipids from various dairy byproducts. I've worked in the dairy industry for around 7 years. I've worked in research and development, working with many types of milk products, as well as butter production, always trying to add value to those products. I also have experience working with specialty whey powders, and I'm excited to be working here at the CDR and gain knowledge from industry experts, as well as utilize the knowledge that I've gained through my experience working in the dairy industry, as well as going to grad school. The presentation will go in depth into the equipment that is used to manufacture dairy. This will give you an understanding of the basic processes that are utilized for taking milk in its perishable form and transforming it into a shelf-stable powder, where it is used in a wide variety of applications. This talk will be done by Melissa, who is a licensed butter maker as well as a cheese maker, and is actively involved in a 5th-generation family farm, which is located in southern Wisconsin. She also has years of experience in the dairy industry, as well as an associate's degree from MATC in biotechnology laboratory technician program. Melissa earned an undergrad degree in dairy science from UW-Madison, and as a student she worked in the processing plant as a cheese processing technician at Babcock Hall here. At the CDR, Melissa assists in the operation of pilot plant as well as guiding research and helping with specialty projects. She is excited to use her diverse skills to assist the growing dairy industry. After our third presentation, you will gain an understanding of how milk is transformed into a shelf-stable powder. Although once we have that powder, we need to understand how it is utilized in a wide variety of applications. The final presentation will dive into the functionality of dairy ingredients and factors that need to be considered when formulating with dairy ingredients. We will also look at a wide variety of applications where dairy ingredients are utilized. This presentation will be done by myself and Tom. Tom's background, he has over 2 decades of experience in research and development of food ingredients with the Carrier Group. Tom has worked with manufacturers on different applications in countries and markets across the globe. As the research program manager at the CDR, Tom works with staff to build on current CDR successes and help to organize and become more aligned with the changing demands and trends within the food industry. He is a native of Ireland and has a PhD in biochemistry from the National University of Ireland in Galway. For the past 14 years, Tom has been excited to call Wisconsin home, and this is where he has put down his roots and started a family. He's excited to be part of the CDR team and look forward to helping the organization move forward in its next stage of development. And throughout these presentations, there will be short videos on understanding the various processes or what applications or manufacturing that are used to produce the dairy ingredients, as well as demonstrate how they're applied within the food system. If we were in person today, I would make you all tell me your favorite dairy product, but since we are in a virtual format, we'll have to skip that part. If you have any questions during the course, be sure to reach out to me, and we will get those questions answered. I hope you enjoy the course and your feedback will be really important in ways to improve this course for the next generation of this course. So enjoy the course, and I hope you enjoy gaining some fundamental knowledge on dairy ingredients.